Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to enable default image effect on the Power Director application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just click to the three line at the upper left corner of the home screen, and in the settings section you can find the second option, the preferences. New, go to the second section, the advanced, and you can find the image and text default duration. Here you can you find the image and the text, and if you click to the circle and just pull on the line, so you can set the image duration or the text duration with that thing. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.